Okay, there was a magical, mystical fast food place in the 1970s and 80s called Naugles. If you know what Naugles is, then you already know what that is. That is a Naugleburger. Hopefully there's a picture of it here before I started tearing it to pieces. It is magical. That's all I will say. It's got Monterey Jack cheese in it. That's weird. It's 2 patties. That's awesome. And the rest of it? It's based on their white sauce. Do you want to know what their white sauce is? I made some, and I dropped the knife in there so the handle's all gooped up. I'm going to have to lick that handle now because that sauce is good. I'm going to show you how to make the white sauce. I'm going to show you how to make the burger, and we have crinkle fries. I'm not going to show you how to make the crinkle fries. They're just frozen, but you do have to fry them. Fry them in oil. Don't bake them in the oven. They turn out like crap. Don't do that. So I'm going to get started right now because you want to see how to make this, and I'm going to stop talking because otherwise this video gets too long. All right, let's get started. So getting started making the Naugles white sauce, this recipe is, shall I say, hard to come by. We've got mayonnaise, we've got a little bit of buttermilk in here. It's a 2-to-1 ratio, twice as much mayonnaise as buttermilk. We've got a little bit of salt and pepper going in this and a little bit of sugar. I got half a teaspoon of sugar in here with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of buttermilk. That seems to be pretty close to this whole thing. But again, it's just a guesstimate, but the flavor is very close. Just let that sit in the fridge for a little while covered, and we are going to get started making the burger. Now, we've got a couple of buns going down here. These have to be toasted and crispied up just right because that's the way they do it, and that's the way they taste the best. So we just put those in there fairly dry. There's no butter or anything else on them. That gets a nice crispy edges. Now we've got our patties going down. This is a 3-ounce patty. It's possible they may be using a 4-ounce patty. They have pretty good sized burgers, but I would think they'd be saying they're quarter pounders if they were. So I went with a 3. They may be 3.5, but we are just cooking those off. These are pressed, not smashed. And we got a little seasoning. Salt is the only seasoning going down on top of this. Let those cook for about a minute or so. And then give them a flip with a cast iron's about 550 degrees so you get that nice Maillard effect, a little more seasoning, and then these are getting the Monterey Jack cheese. This is the unique thing about the Naugleburgers is that they have this Monterey Jack cheese on them. It is so amazing and so creamy. You have to do this. This takes less than a minute. Just put a lid on it so that you get a good amount of melting on that cheese, and you have yourself basically, just the beginnings of a Naugleburger. All we got to do is assemble this thing and eat it. So let's do that. Okay, we have this thing already cooked, all ready to go. We just got to assemble it here. And there is a specific way. You've got to put your white sauce down here, which is also the Del Taco secret sauce from the chicken tacos and the fish tacos. Their secret white sauce. It's the same as the Naugles sauce. They brought it over when they, I'm assuming, why would they have 2 different sauces that are identical from one restaurant? Come on. So they brought this over to Del Taco when they officially transitioned in. But that is the sauce that goes on this. There's no ketchup, there's no mayo, there's no mustard. That is it right there. A little funky, but it's okay. I will allow it. We got our pickles going down. We've got our tomato going down. We've got some lettuce on this sucker right here. Just like this. Okay, that's not the prettiest piece of lettuce. We want a nice pretty thumbnail, right? So we're going to use that piece. That's much prettier. Okay, and we have our 2 patties. And put that one that way. I'm thinking of the Burger Smile from In-N-Out. They have their Burger Smile. You have to arrange this just in such a way that when you do this, you get a burger that's moving around on you. You get that, folks. You get that. You get that burger. Oh, look at this thing. Oh. Okay. I did not overcook the meat because I can do that. They have to. It's the law. If there's a knock at the door and nice men with guns and badges, you didn't see nothing, okay? You saw nothing. That burger was well done. You don't know nothing, right? Okay, nobody likes a rat. But what people do like is a burger. And that is a Naugleburger. I have not had a Naugleburger since the mid-1980s, so I am dying to dig into this thing and hoping that my memory is exactly what that flavor is. It should be, because I followed the rules and it's got the right stuff in it. We're going to find out in a second, but I'm going to take the thumbnail real quick, and it's dripping on me. It dripped on me. I'm excited. Hold on. Okay, thumbnails are taken. That thing's screaming at me. The smell in here is magical, and if you make this at home, you can have that same smell, I assume. We're both dying for this. Come on. I'm going to cut this thing in half so we can see it. I think it's a little medium rare-ish. Oh yeah, she is. Which, oh yeah. Oh. You see how pretty this is? That Monterey Jack cheese is really creamy and nice and wonderful. It's kind of like mozzarella, but not really. But that is going to add this crazy flavor. And the more I talk, the further away it is before I get to experience that. So I'm shutting up. Either I'm getting good at this, my taste buds are really easy to please, or that is one really, really good burger. Oh, if you live in Southern California, Orange County area, or South LA, or Riverside, or Minnesota, go to one of these places. Go there now, because it's amazing. Oh, the Naugleburger. I know it's a taco place, but theirs is even better because they cook all the stuff on their flat top, and then the burger goes down, and it's soaking up all those other flavors. The carne asada, the chicken, even their bacon, everything else is seasoned into that grill. When you eat that burger there, it's going to have next level flavor. I can't even duplicate that. What theirs is better than that. I guarantee you. This is not a commercial. I don't work there. I don't know them. They don't know me. But I'm telling you, if you want a fast food burger that's really, really great, try the Naugleburger at Naugles. That Monterey Jack cheese is good. If you want to know what... I'm a big cheddar fan, but dang. Okay, well, I've done it again. I'm going to go need a nap now. I'm going to finish that and then go sleep the rest of the day because, oh, man, it's so good. What you can be doing right now is hitting the thumbs up thing down there if this video was fun. Hopefully it was. And you can also hit subscribe to the channel and see the next thing I come out with. And I can't guarantee it's going to be as good as that because I don't know what's as good as that. But I'm going to try, and when I do, I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a good one. See ya. Bye.